Hello friends, let's solve question number 8 here. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square. So let me write it here, Sn equals to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? Remember that the first term is S1. S1 is nothing but here S1 and A1 are same because sum of the first term or the first term is same because there will be only one term. So here they have given that. Remember that the first term is S1. So therefore A1 equals to S1. Clear? This is all given. So what is the sum of the first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third term, 10th term and nth terms. This is what they have asked in the question. Okay. So here they have given that, remember the first term is S1, right? So S1 and A1 are the same. Let me substitute n as 1. What do we get? We'll get S1 equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square is equals to 4 into 1, it is 4 minus 1 square, it is 1. So therefore S1 equals to 3. Therefore S1 equals to A1 equals to 3. Clear? We got A1 value as 3. Remember that the first term is S1, so we got A1 value. They asked us to find the sum of first two terms. Here the sum of n terms is this. So sum of first term is, we substituted n value as 1. So to find the sum of the first two terms means what? N will become 2. So sum of first two terms in bracket n equals to 2. S2 equals to n value means nothing but it is 2. Substitute here. What do we get? S2 equals to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Correct? Minus 2 square. We'll get what? 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square, it is 4. Therefore S2 value will get it as 4. S2 means what? Sum of the first two terms. This can be written as, first term means nothing but A1. What is the second term? Second term is nothing but adding common difference to the first term. Correct? We'll get what? We'll get sum. Sum of the first two terms means nothing but first term plus second term equals to 4. Second term is nothing but adding common difference to the first term. What is the first term we got? We got it as 3. So 3 plus common difference equals to 4. 3 plus 3 you will get 6 plus d equals to 4. That implies d value you got it as minus 2. So you got common difference as minus 2 and the first term as 3. We got common difference and we got the first term. After that, what is the second term? They asked us to find the second term. So second term is nothing but what? A2 equals to A1 plus common difference. Correct? Second term means A1 plus common difference. What is A1? Here it is 3 plus. What is common difference? It is minus 2. 3 plus minus 2 will get what? 3 minus 2 will get 1. So the second term will be what? Second term equals to 1. After finding the second, they asked us to find the first term we have find out. And sum of the first two terms. Sum of the first two terms also we have found out. What is the second term? Second term also we have found out. Next one what we need to find? Similarly find the third term, 10th term and nth term. So third term is nothing but A3. A3 equals to A2 plus common difference. Correct? What is A2 here? A2 is 1. 1 plus what is common difference is minus 2. So 1 minus 2 will get what? Minus 1. Therefore third term is minus 1. Clear? After finding third term, they asked us to find the 10th term. A10 equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into common difference. What is A value here? A is nothing but A1. A1 is 3 we got plus 10 minus 1 is 9. What is common difference? Common difference is nothing but minus 2. So 9 into minus 2. Get what? 3 minus 18. So you'll get minus 15. So 10th term equals to, therefore a10 equals to minus 15. Clear? We got the 10th term as minus 15. So after that they asked us to find the nth term. Correct? an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is here a value? A value is nothing but a1. A1 is, we got it as 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference. What did we get? Common difference is minus 2. Let us simplify this. 3 minus 2 into n will get minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 will get plus 2. So you'll get 5 minus 2n. Therefore nth term is what? 5 minus 2n. Clear? They asked us to find first. They asked us to find the first term, sum of first two terms. After that they asked us to find the second term. After the third term they asked us to find 10th term and nth term. So this is the solution for question number 8. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.